Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes and sit up. I feel a little sleepy. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I take a bath. I feel fresh and happy. I go to my room. I wear clean clothes. I comb my hair. I look in the mirror. I smile. I take my bag. I check my phone. I put on my shoes. I wear my watch. I am ready to go. I go to the kitchen. I see my family. I say, "Good morning." I sit on a chair. I eat my breakfast. I drink a glass of water. I thank my mom. I help clean the table. I wash my plate. I say goodbye to my family. I walk to the bus stop. I see many people. I say hello to them. I wait for the bus. The bus comes. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I look outside. I listen to music. I enjoy the ride. I reach my school or office. I say hello to my friends. I go to my place. I sit at my desk. I start my work. I read and write. I listen to my teacher or manager. I learn something new. I feel happy to learn. I enjoy the day. At lunchtime, I go to eat. I sit with my friends. We talk and laugh. I eat my food. I drink juice or water. I feel full. I clean my table. I rest for a few minutes. I feel ready again. I smile and go back to work. In the afternoon, I do more work. I write notes. I ask questions. I help my friends. I check the clock. I finish my tasks. I say thank you. I say goodbye to everyone. I leave the building. I walk home. I see the sunset. I feel the wind. I enjoy the quiet road. I reach home. I wash my hands and face. I sit and relax. I talk with my family. I eat a small snack. I feel calm. I help with dinner. I eat with my family. We talk and share stories. After dinner, I clean my plate. I go to my room. I change my clothes. I read a short story. I feel sleepy. I say goodnight to everyone. I lie on my bed. I think about my day. I feel happy and thankful. I close my eyes. I take a deep breath. I feel peaceful. I fall asleep. I have sweet dreams. I am ready for tomorrow. I smile in my sleep. Read aloud and repeat. Read aloud and repeat each sentence.